Hey guys, Kapper here and welcome back. And yes, this is a video from last year at this time. However, I'm going to make a bunch of changes to it. And the reason I'm posting it is that we have a lot of new subscribers. And this duck pond project has been going on for 4 years. And this is probably going to be the very first year that I'm going to be able to actually flood it and it will have food in it. So this is a look back from last year at exactly about a year ago where I was at with this thing. I thought I was going to have it flooding last year and holding water, but that didn't work out. But anyways, if you enjoy excavator work and just want to get some fresh air and see where I was a year ago, because tomorrow, which is December 11th, 2019, I'm going to finish flooding it. I finally got a day off and home, so I'm going to add the rest of the water and probably do some more excavator work tomorrow. So hopefully it'll be flooded here for the first time ever in 4 years and have some millet and milo in there. So hope you stick around for this video. A lot of it's going to be new to the newer subscribers, and which we all appreciate. So let's have some fun and watch a little bit of excavator work here, and stay tuned for the part 2 that's going to come after tomorrow when I fill it up. Hopefully, fingers crossed, get it all the way full. Okay, so here's a look. There's the dam. You could see the ruts that I was making with the tractor the last time I worked out here. Okay, so the dam goes up there, center of the screen. But all of this down here is, 4 foot, 4, 5, 6 feet of it needs to come out. And I was kind of saving this for emergencies like now. Since I can't get the other machines out here, so I'm just going to dig all of this out and I'm going to pile it right here, either on the dam or next to it. I might not reach it, and then I'm going to grade it down that way. Alright, so it's pretty soft under where I'm sitting, but it's kind of a low spot. So here's the beginning. I'm going to be making piles over there and grading them out with the Bobcat. I mean, I really do love using this machine. It is just so incredibly versatile. Really, really is. I mean, don't get me wrong, I like the Branson Megatron, but excavator is just an absolute amazing machine. So let's keep digging. Let's see what they got on the rig. Rock and roll. I'll check in here in a little bit. Stack it here and then step the machine on the other side and then move it one more time. I'm going to give it a whirl. Wi-Fi signal. Remember that booster I put up? Well, I put it all the way on the peak of of the house. Can't see it, I don't think, but I got a really good, I think, 3-bar Wi-Fi signal from right here, so I'm able to plug the cell phone in and put a music app on there. Alright, so now I'm grading this strip here where I sunk into Branson the other day. Than the tractor. Way more nimble. Right, well, as far as I can and as quickly as I can. So I got both of them running right now. A couple different views. One of the drawbacks of living this particular area, because we're right at the northern edge of a subtropic, so where the south air hits the north air, that's where we're located. So that is one reason we have just such screwy weather. That's probably the main reason. You know, we don't. So now we're starting to do a little something here anyways. Take a look at that dam. It's looking much better than it did when we started. I mean, I'm still losing dirt to compaction, but I take like 3 or 4 buckets and then I grade it down and do the same thing again. Alright, so now I'm going up and down the dam and I'm scabbing from the wider spots. Otherwise I'll be here forever. Get dirt farther down. So this is working pretty good. Alright, here's a look after a little bit of work here. It may be the end of it for today. I'm gonna go get some rest, get a sandwich maybe, and it could rain any time, but I know you can't see it, but there's kind of a natural low spot right here, which I might just make an overflow. I think it'll hold, I mean, at least 6 to 10 inches of water now. So I may just flood it. I mean, the clock has been ticking for a while. So I need to get the laser out here and shoot it and see exactly what it'll hold before we run over somewhere. I can't move enough dirt fast enough. Okay, and if you're still here, we appreciate it, and definitely stay tuned because I'm going to fill it tomorrow, and hopefully I'll have the video up before too long of it completely filled, and we'll see how my emergency dam does, and I may do some more excavator work. So appreciate you being on board. Looking forward to the next go around. Kapper out.